Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In today's class, we will practice a graceful Taiji movement called the Dragon Flow, aimed at relieving stiffness in the neck, shoulders, and the lower back. Through the slow and silky movements, we will build a mind and body connection while strengthening muscles and stretching tendons. Now, let's get started. The beauty for the Dragon Flow is it can be practiced while seated. As I demonstrate the seated variation, I will explain the movement of the arms and hands. Later, I will guide you through the standing variation of this practice. Begin by sitting on the front of the chair, legs wide open. Open your arms, expand your chest, and shift the center of gravity to the right as you rotate the left arm, palms facing up. Extend the forearm forward as if you're presenting the gift of health. Slightly elevate the pinky. Inhale, embrace the moment. Exhale, slowly rotate to the other side. Palms facing up. You may continue to be seated or follow the standing variation. To begin, feet hip width for the QiGong warm-ups. Slowly extend your arms up and pulling down the heavens, bend into the legs. Hands flow down front and center. Synchronize the movement with your breath. Last one. Interlace the fingers. Slowly lift your hands as you inhale. Exhale, press the palms to the sky. Tuck the chin, relax the shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. Open the arms. Continue to press the palms, press into the palms. Repeat one more time. Hands hold up the heavens to regulate the Sanjiao, the triple warmer meridian. Flow the hands up. Flip the palms. Inhale. Exhale, stretch to the left. Look up under the armpit. Slowly back to center and stretch to the right. Back to center. One more time. To the left. To the right. Back to neutral. Release the arms down. Shrug the shoulders. Release the hands by your sides. Rotate your neck to the left. Slowly turn the arms inside out. Point the thumbs back. Squeeze into the shoulder blades. Inhale back to center. Exhale, rotate your neck to the right, turning the arms inside out. This is the QiGong movement from the 8 brocades. 2 more on each side. Wide owl, gaze back to eliminate 5 fatigues and 7 emotional injuries. Rotate to the right. One more on each side. Open the chest. Notice your thoracic spine. To the right. Come back to neutral. Shrug the shoulders and bring up the happy bouncing. Loosen up everything. Gently twist side to side. Move onto the standing dragon flow. Stand feet in a wider horse stance. Toes point out. Remember to aim the knees to the second toes to protect the knee joints. You might rock a little side to side. I will guide you through 4 sets of 8. Following the beat of the gong. Extend the arms, expand your chest, and begin to shift the center of gravity to the right as you rotate your back arm. Bend the knee slightly. Aim the knee towards the second toe, presenting the gift of health. Here we begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shifting from side to side, the legs are strong. Focus your eyes on your fingertips while rotating the back arm facing the sky. Tapping into the mobility in your neck and the shoulders. Engage your core slightly as you're shifting the center of your gravity, stretching through the armpit, building more space in your spine. You can always slow down or take a break. Slowly come back to center. Bring your feet a little closer. Float the arms in front of your chest, palms facing down. And draw down the hands. Flow the hands up as you're connecting to the heavenly energy. Connect to the earthly energy as you flow the hands down. Marry these forces within. Serving as the conduit between heaven and earth. And release your hands by your sides. Close your eyes. Notice the sensations in the body. finding that mind and body connection. Connecting to the present moment. Friends, here we concluded the Taiji Dragon Flow. Did you practice the standing or seated variation? Let me know how it went for you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.